stop and think, why spend too much time just getting ready? Let me be honest, I don't know a single thing that I haven't done to make you notice me. Let me be real here. When I see you, my heart starts racing, but I don't know if I like this chasing and playing and waiting around. It's a shame that my hands start shaking all of the time when you're around me. But this time, girl, I know what's bothering me. I need somebody to love. Oh, nah, 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 nah. Don't you see what's wrong with me? I need somebody to love. Oh, oh, nah, nah. I don't know what I could say to convince you to hang around when you don't have to. There's so much that I'm still keeping to myself, 'cause you don't listen, babe. But still you got me missing you. When I see you, my heart starts racing, but I don't know if I like.
Today hoppas vi nästa. Hoppas vi hoppas vi bort ett uttryck till mamma.
Go ahead.
Around me, but this time, girl, I know what's bothering me. I need somebody to love. Oh, nah, 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 nah. Don't you see what's wrong with me? I need somebody to love. Oh, oh, nah, nah. God, I'm sick of this waiting. You got me going crazy tonight. So why don't you come on over and be my somebody to love? Somebody to love, somebody to love, somebody. I need somebody. I need somebody to love. I need somebody.
We just finished breakfast, as you saw. As you can tell, I'm vlogging today. I haven't done a vlog in so long. It's just been cleaning motivation videos out there for you guys. But I just wanted to sit here and talk to you guys for a second, because I know everybody's going through such a tough time during this coronavirus, and pretty much everybody's quarantined now. I'm still working. I do go to work, but it's pretty much work and home, and it's been really it's been crazy. The kids are bored because we're in the house all the time, and the weather hasn't been nice for us to go outside. So I'm hoping today is gonna be really nice, so we can go at least for a walk and get some fresh air. That's pretty much what we can do. Hi, Ethan. He's like, what's that smell? What smell? What smell? You want to come say hi to your friends? Say hi, friends.
I don't see nothing on there.
They can see you. Say hi.
Hi, Ethan.
He's gonna say hi to himself. Anyways, so yeah, I'm doing homeschooling now for Ethan. We started yesterday, and it was okay, but I'm going to see how it's gonna go for the rest of the time. We don't know how long this is gonna be, obviously. We were told that it's probably gonna go past Easter, so I do have work for Ethan to do. He's just in junior kindergarten, but he still has some homework to do, and his teacher assigned him a ton of stuff to do just to keep him busy, which is nice. So we usually do that after Logan goes for a nap, so it's nice and quiet and he can focus a little better. But yeah, it's a challenge, and I just want to say, you guys stay strong. We're in this together. We're gonna get through it together. It's very serious, and I'm just praying that God is gonna end this soon, because it's getting out of control and we just need some kind of intervention. And
Mama.
Hi Logan.
Hi.
Can you say hi?
Stop.
Circle the pictures whose name end with the same sound as the first picture in the row. So this is a hive, a beehive. Now you gotta find something
The ends of it.
that ends like that. Yeah.
Five. 5.
Good job.
5?
Yeah.
It's 5?
Yeah.
But there's E at the end. Plus E.
Yeah. They both have it. Hive.
I am
Okay. What's next? Dog.
let's circle this. Dog. Pig.
No, it's a hog. It's almost, it's 11:45. I'm gonna go and start on lunch while Logan is sleeping. It's not lunch, I just gotta do I'm gonna roast some broccoli to go with the leftover pasta from last night, and we're gonna have that. The kids liked it, and the pasta that I cooked last night is actually made out of quinoa, and I wanted to show you guys the bag. It's from Costco, and it's so good. You can't tell that it's made out of quinoa. It tastes really good. So if you're looking for something to change up in your diet and you still want to keep that love of pasta that you have, I think this is a great option. So let me show you guys the bag. So this is how it looks like. It's really good. It's made out of the red and white quinoa, gluten-free, and it's vegan and vegetarian. It's really good. If you ever go to Costco, look for it. The kids love it. Okay, so I didn't have broccoli. Instead, we're gonna do some corn.
Every time I'm going out, the same things keep happening. New boy, same tricks. Coming close to me now, trying to be smooth. So here we go again, here we go again. You're trying to buy me drinks, and I don't like your cheap tricks. Take it somewhere else, would ya? Would ya? I don't know what you think, but I'm not one of those chicks. Take it somewhere else, would ya? Would ya? You got nothing on me, on me. You got nothing on me, on me. You got nothing on me, on me. I'm looking like a movie star. You try to pick me up in your new sports car. I think it's called a Jaguar. I don't give a damn. I got money on my
I'm just gonna go ahead and serve Ethan some lunch, so he can just eat and get it out of the way. He is hungry. He asked me for some boiled eggs earlier, so I didn't have any, but now I made some, and he doesn't know that I made it, so he's gonna love that. Be careful. Okay, go. Don't go in the middle of the road, you guys. Are you checking the mail? Yeah? You need a key for that. Okay, come on, let's go. Where's Daddy? We have finally made it outside. It is so beautiful. The kids are running and they're gonna sleep well tonight. Retiring the moat. Points for us.
You better turn up. You better be there when I shake. Watch me rocking if I can't stop. If I should fall, just go ahead. Go and catch me, baby. Ooh, I live it. That's my true love, true to love. Ooh, I love it. Crank it up, yeah, yeah, yeah. Turn it up on a higher level. Turn it up, we got this.
Maybe it's 'cause we're young, got time and we're wasted, got no plans for the night. I love how you look at me, feeling low, nothing to lose. Can we say it tonight? 'Cause I don't wanna go. I know the tension's gone now, and that you won't stay here. Keep looking back, don't wanna forget you. Yeah, I wanna do it all again. So I keep pushing rewind, hoping you'll still by my side. We can't get lost in time, but don't you wanna do it all again?
Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed our vlog from today. And to end it, I just wanted to share some of the positive messages that we found on our walk in our neighborhood today. And I hope you guys are staying positive, and I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you. Stay blessed. Bye.